You can integrate Oracle Fusion Cloud, Enterprise Resource Planning General Ledger, and Non-General Ledger data with Oracle Enterprise Performance Management business processes using data integration. In addition to data, you can also bring metadata and exchange rates from Fusion into EPM. Data integration is available for the following predefined roles in planning, tax reporting, financial consolidation and close, and enterprise profitability and cost management, service administrator, power user, and user. In account reconciliation, only users assigned with the service administrator predefined role can access data integration. ERP integrations require these security privileges or user roles and data access. With data integration, you can pull data from Fusion ERP using either the GL Balances adapter or the ERP Data Source Adapter framework, which extracts data through Oracle Business Intelligence Publisher. When importing data from Fusion GL, the user selects the cube associated with the chart of accounts and then applies filters such as ledgers and other attributes that define the dataset pulled into EPM. When using the ERP Data Adapter framework, BI Publisher extracts data directly from Fusion applications across ERP, SCM, Sales and Service, HCM Cloud, Public Sector, and any other Fusion ERP module. You can load any type of data, from fixed assets to project and portfolio management and to supply chain. You can use prepackaged extracts or customized BI Publisher reports to define your own report parameters for extracting the data from ERP. When the system brings over the data into data integration, the data and metadata can be subsequently mapped and loaded to the EPM business process. Here are the basic requirements and tasks when integrating ERP data using prepackaged extracts. Remember that you must have the required user roles and privileges and data access to ERP and the EPM business process you are working with. This includes confirming that the EPM integration user has the necessary roles and privileges on the Fusion side to retrieve the data successfully when the integration runs. When you register the ERP source system in data integration, you specify connection details. Next, register ERP as a data source application type, adding the connection you registered in the previous step. You can use application filters with GL integrations. When working with BI Publisher reports, you can specify the necessary report parameters. For the Fusion GL Balances adapter, when you click Import Applications, the system registers and initializes the ERP applications that represent your chart of accounts from the source. This step is not applicable for the ERP Data Adapter that uses BI Publisher. You can update applications and their extract definitions anytime after you import applications into data integration. If your EPM application is not yet registered, register it and ensure the correct target cube is selected. Before defining integrations, make sure you have period and category mappings for the source and target. After the initial setup tasks, define your integration. Follow the integration workflow to select your source, target, and location. Map dimensions and members, and select integration options. When you run the integration, you can monitor the results in process details and review the source data in the workbench. For GL balances, refer to integrating Oracle General Ledger balances from the Oracle ERP Cloud section. And for the ERP Data Adapter, refer to process description for integrating Oracle ERP Cloud data using a custom query section in the Administering Data Integration for Oracle EPM documentation. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.